Obesity is one of the biggest health epidemics facing our community. The long-term health consequences for children alone can be limiting throughout their lifetime. It's because of this challenge that Fort Healthcare developed the Movin Losin program.
Fort Healthcare's Movin Losin program is a family-based exercise weight management program that's designed for 10 weeks, and we offer it twice a year. Every family needs to work on diet and exercise, and that's one of the things we don't always learn in school well. And you become a parent, and now we're asking you to be able to make sure that you have nutritious meals for your kids. And how do you do it on a busy lifestyle and on a budget? We spend 15 minutes with a message of health and wellness, and followed by 45 minutes of an exercise boot camp style that the full family can participate in. If you're not in an organized sport, there's some things that kids can do individually, but how many family classes can you take together that works on overall wellness?
Mom, do these have cranberries? Oh, I love cranberries.
The Moulton family has always been active. However, because of a recent health change within their family, they needed to focus on better choices.
My family is faced with type 1 diabetes. My daughter, Molly, who is 6, was diagnosed. We've had to adjust. We really didn't pay attention to nutrition as closely as we need to. It would be grab and go, whatever the kids wanted to eat, we catered to them.
Like chocolate covered muffins, cupcakes. Sometimes we would have like apple juice a lot, and we knew that there was a lot of like sugar in there.
The whole family was affected by Molly's diabetes. For Molly, it meant the challenge of monitoring and maintaining proper levels through diet, exercise, and insulin shots. It wasn't long after Molly's diagnosis that the Moulton family turned to Fort Healthcare's Movin Losin program as a trusted partner.
And I thought that would be a great opportunity to take part as a whole family versus just an individual.
So they must enjoy it because they've taken it twice. And they first started with 2 of the family members coming, and now every single one of them comes to the classes.
The kids were excited to go every single week. They never wanted to miss.
I love Movin Losin because they do games and exercises. It makes me feel really good.
The staff at the Movin Losin program has been tremendous. They're great life coaches, not only nutritionally, but they also are there as friends and really supporters.
It keeps you healthy, and you learn about good foods for your body that you never even heard of. Star fruits, kiwi, coconut.
I think the biggest difference after taking the Movin Losin course is not as much reliance on electronics, and the kids prefer to go out and play, run.
And we had to make our own choices, like eating better. My exercise has been way better than it was before.
The Fort Memorial Hospital Foundation is creating an impact in our community through the funding of opportunities like the Movin Losin program.
The Movin Losin program is led by a group of people who really care about the health of children in our community. Their passion, their excitement about these kids is what motivates us as a foundation to be more and more involved with that program.
It's essential for the foundation as well as the community to support programs like the Movin Losin program. And if we start with families, making sure they're healthy when they're little, they're going to grow into healthy adults.
As focus on families' health is a key component of Fort Healthcare's improvement of the health and well-being of our community, your help is needed to grow this program in other communities as well.
It's pretty fun because like our whole entire family is doing something together, and some people think, well, it's an exercising class, I don't really want to do it because it's going to be hard, but it's actually not. It's really fun.
It's been a positive experience as a family, bringing us closer together and, ultimately making us more healthy individuals.